What's going on, kid family? Welcome back to the channel. So a few months ago, guys, there was an accident right on my block. There was a driver that just rear-ended another vehicle that was parked nicely, calmly on the side of the road. I don't know whose car this is, but the rear suspension is definitely damaged. Everything's damaged. Like I said, these guys walked out, left their car running. Uber or Lyft, huh? Cars running. Crazy. And he hit this guy too right now. Just yesterday, I come home from work. It's about 12:30 in the morning. And I go ahead and fit these wheels, these Hyundai Accent wheels. I test fit the new winter set on the vehicle. And as I'm test fitting this, I hear a large boom. I couldn't believe it. There was another hit and run on my block. So last time, I didn't know who the owner of the vehicle was. It was a Mazda MX-5, I believe. Well, this time, I know the owner of the vehicle. This time, it is my neighbor that lives one house down. So you guys ready for this? Check it out. Yes. Right here, there's a stop sign. There's a T intersection right over here. And this car just got demolished. Rear quarter panel damage. Bumper hanging and all. I just couldn't believe it. The last car that got hit was pretty much right 3 car spaces in front of this car. So I don't know what's going on with these drivers here. I'm thinking maybe the street was slick. Maybe that driver hit the brakes, got into a skid, and the street kind of turns into the right side here. It's not straight. Maybe he skidded right into this vehicle. Regardless, this sucks for the owner. This is not good, and it's gonna cost them a lot of money. And as you guys can see from this side, a lot of damage. A lot of damage on the vehicle. So I actually just spoke with the owner of the vehicle as well. The whole passenger side rear wheel is bent in. The control arm is completely broken. The rim's broken. And she's saying this is actually the second time she had a hit and run on the street. So long story short, guys, if you have a driveway, park your vehicle on the driveway. I know it's easier to park it on the street, get out in the morning, you're ready to go, especially in the winter season, because you don't have to, because your driveway is clean, you don't have to drive your car through it, compress the snow on the ground. But man, it's these situations that really suck, especially for the drivers that are running away. You know, there's no justice being served, which sucks. Po. And I gotta start practicing putting my car in the driveway as well during this winter season, because man, this happens. People try to drift. It's a T intersection. I'm sure maybe someone was trying to drift their little Miata or something around the block, and it happened. And the owner said she actually came out right after she heard the noise, the shot, and there was another neighbor that also came out, and they barely could see the car that hit it because it was already down the block. So it was a big hit and a quick escape. So sucks. Hopefully they catch the guy. I don't know how, but I hope they do. And yeah, quick update on the Hyundai. I'm not sure if I even mentioned it. My thoughts are all over the place, but I test fitted the wheels yesterday. They do fit. It is a 4x100 bolt pattern, so that's great. Now, the craziest thing is searching for the hub-centric rings. As you guys know, the hub-centric rings are needed, so the wheel is perfectly centered on the bore, on the wheel hub of the vehicle. So the wheel is centered and there's no vibration. So we do have to order those. But what's crazy is, so I thought the wheel's gonna have a 73mm bore, like most of these aftermarket wheels companies do, just because the bigger the bore, the more cars these wheels can fit on. But surprisingly enough, the outside bore is a 63.3. It's not a common size, and it was a pain in the butt to find these hub-centric rings online. I found one company that does them for 40 bucks, and then I searched on eBay and I found 2 or 3 of them, but they're all either from Lithuania, United Kingdom, so they're all over the place, far away, and it's gonna take about a month for them to ship out here to the States. So we put a bid in right now. We're gonna buy them. The good thing is the wheels are 4x100. Again, I don't know why they had all those other wheel bolt patterns stamped on the wheels in the back. It makes no sense, but I'm glad at least that's good. Hopefully the tires hold air pressure. We'll check back in about a week or so, double check it, and then we should be good to go. Anyway guys, very different kind of video. I'm recording from my phone, so it might be a little shaky. Hope you guys don't mind. Crazy about this whole accident again. Hopefully they total that car and they get a new car. You know, the car I'm sure had quite a bit of age and mileage on it. Anyway guys, I'll see you on the next video. Headed to work right now. Can't talk, police everywhere. Peace.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams of my own, I've been working from home. I can do it on my own, but sometimes it gets